In this video, I'm going to introduce the technique called Approximate and Adjust and use it to do addition efficiently. Approximate and Adjust is actually a pretty common problem-solving technique. For example, when people play golf, it's really hard to put the ball into the hole directly in one shot. Instead, we will try to hit the ball onto the green first, because the green is a good approximate of the hole. After that, we will try to do the adjustment and put the ball back into the hole. So how do we apply this idea to mathematics? Let's see. For example, I want to do 237 plus 99. The answer is 336. How do I get the answer? 99 can be approximated by 100. Therefore, the answer would be 337 if I were adding 100. But I need to do minus 1 for the adjustment. Therefore, the final answer is 336. You may say, well, I got it, but not every number is that close to 100, so the scope is very small, isn't it? Well, we can actually extend a little bit. For example, 726 plus 476. The answer is 1202. This time, I'm approximating 476 with 500. And so the answer will be 1226 if I were adding 500. But I need to do an adjustment. The adjustment is minus 24. Because the adjustment can be easily subtracted from 26, therefore our trick still applies. Let's see another example. 564 plus 678. If you are interested, you can pause the video and try to do it yourself. What would I do? 678 is close to 700. But the adjustment is 22. Because the 22 adjustment is much smaller than 64, I can easily do the computation and get 1242. One more example. 1248 plus 387. You can again pause the video and try yourself. What would I do? 387 can be approximated by 400, with the adjustment minus 13. Therefore, the answer will be 1635. The reason I can do it is once again because the adjustment can be easily subtracted from 48. If the adjustment is actually bigger than what we need to subtract from, we probably don't use this trick. Rather, we just add the numbers directly. For example, 815 plus 478. If we want to approximate 478, we should use 500, with the adjustment subtracting 22. Well, 22 is bigger than 15, so we shouldn't use this trick. In fact, if we directly add them up, we will have 1293, because 15 plus 78 will not make a carry to the hundreds, so it's not too bad. Another type of problems that we can first approximate and then adjust is the following. Here, you can see a sum that involves a lot of numbers, but all of them are pretty close to each other. So I can use the approximate value 40. Because there are 9 numbers added up together, so I'm going to do 9 times of 40. And after that, I'm going to do adjustment. 39 is down 1 from 40. 43 is up 3. 41 is up 1. 38 is down 2. 36 is down 4. 43 is up 3. 46 is up 6. 31 is down 9. And 38 is down 2. So instead of adding up these numbers, all we need to do is to add up these numbers, which is a lot easier. 9 times 40 is 360. As for the adjustment, -1 and -2 will cancel with +3. +1 and +3 will cancel with -4. 6 minus 11 is -5, and therefore the final answer is 355. Let's see another example. Here I have 6 numbers added up together, and they are all pretty close to 9, and therefore I have the approximate value of 9, and because there are 6 numbers, I have 6 times of 9. After that, I'm going to do the adjustment. 8.88 is down 0.12 from 9. 8.97 is down 0.03. 9.09 is up 0.09. 9.15 is up 0.15. 8.9 is down 0.1. Finally, 9.11 is up 0.11. So, what do we do? 6 times 9 is 54. And after that, we can try to find some cancellation. For example, minus 0.12 and minus 0.03 will cancel with positive 0.15. 0.09 plus 0.11 we will have 0.2, but minus 0.1 I'm going to do plus 0.1. Therefore, the final answer is 54.1. In summary, we have seen two types of problems where we can use the technique approximate and then adjust. In the first type of problems, we always involve a number that is fairly close to 100 or 1,000 or 10,000. What we should do is to approximate this number with a nice value, and then we will do the adjustment, as long as the adjustment is smaller than what you need to subtract from. In the second type of problems, we will need to add up a lot of numbers that are pretty close to each other. In order to simplify the addition, we will use the approximate value, and then we will do the adjustment. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so that you will learn more fun math with us. Thank you.